Meaning of golly.
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 Golly. The word golly is an exclamation of surprise or amazement. It's often used as a mild expression of shock or disbelief. The term has been around since the 1700s and was originally a euphemism for God or goodness gracious. Over time, it became a standalone phrase that's used in a variety of settings. For example, someone might say golly when they receive a generous gift, or when they're surprised by unexpected news. Overall, golly is a playful and light-hearted word that conveys a sense of excitement and wonder.